How to withdraw money from Kraken to bank account. Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to withdraw money from Kraken to your bank account. So first of all, you have to go to the Kraken website and click on transfer, and next select the currency you wish to withdraw to your bank account. For example, if you want to withdraw euros, type EUR and you will see your available balance, and if you have euros, the amount will be displayed there. Then click on the withdraw option. You can choose your withdrawal method from the options like SEPA, SWIFT, or wire transfer. I recommend keeping it on SEPA for this example and then click on continue. Now you will need to enter your bank account details. Click on the add bank account to proceed, and once your bank account is added, you can withdraw the funds from your Kraken account to your bank account. So that's how you can withdraw money from Kraken. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.